Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Ishaan's channel. इस तेरा टूटा दिल जोड़ दूं मैं दिल चाहे सबका दिल तोड़ दूं मैं नफरत न कर तुझसे प्यार कर तू तू हाँ कहे तो ये जिद छोड़ दूं One second, I'm coming. You wait, guys. पता भी नहीं चलता कैमरे में किधर से क्या बाल खराब दिख रहे हैं. चले आगे चलो जीवन डगर पे. Yeah, thank you for coming दंगा फैक्ट्री. चलो क्या क्या चल रहा है. फिर से देखते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमारा रिसेंटली मैंने आज इंटरव्यू है अपना. सॉरी, मैं भूल गया था. मैं सोच रहा था कि लैप मोबाइल से चल रहा है. तो मैं आज 11 बजे इंटरव्यू रहेगा टुडे. ठीक है, तो उसका प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ. मैंने सोचा कि आज लाइव तो आ नहीं पाऊंगा मैं, तो शायद इसी से काम चला लें अपन. ज़्यादा लोग अगर यहाँ पे वॉच करते तो अच्छा है. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एंड क्वालिटी इंजीनियरिंग. You are able to see the screen of my laptop. Is it visible? Okay, so quality assurance is a process oriented approach focuses on preventing defects but improving the development and testing process. सॉरी, मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ. मेरे को लैपटॉप पे ही दिखाने का है. वन सेकेंड. ओके गाइस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल. ओके, QC, quality control. I think. Hello guys, where are you from? Please, you can talk also with me. You can talk to me if you want. QA is modern approach to integrate quality into stages into software development lifecycle using the continuous testing and engineering practice and preventing the defects, delivery high quality tested software testing. Okay, next session will be next topic will be level of software testing as DLC phases. Okay, there is okay. There are mainly four levels of software testing: unit integration and unit integration and system testing and UAT, user acceptance testing. Okay. Okay. So 1 second, I'm going to enable chat section here. By control. One second, I want to start share system. Please, guys, do something. Some comments. Okay. For I'll check my in my system. Do something for commenting. Okay. It is. It should be proper. Okay, we will manage after some time it. So levels of software testing, we'll learn about the last what is software testing, and why software testing is important, error, defects, bug, failure, quality assurance, quality control, quality engineer. Now we'll learn about what will be the software testing levels. So firstly we should to understand software testing levels. So okay, I want to arrange something new thing like we can say that I'm making my own approach to teach people uh, like which kind of like I want to which kind of topic will when I'm going to rearrange one by one, and they will definitely understand that. So this kind of thing I want to improve. Okay, so we'll learn about that. What is software? What is testing? And why software testing is important? Okay, and error, defect, bugs, failure. Okay, with what kind of topic this is? Okay, and what is this error? Error is an human mistake made during software development, designing, coding, and requirement analysis that leads to incorrect results. Okay, defects. A defects is a flow of deviation in a software application where actual results differ from the expected result and specify in the requirement. Bug is the fault and flaw in the software tester and the software, and the causes it to produce incorrect, impacted, and imitation intended result during execution. A failure is a inability of a software system and software or system and component to perform its required features. Failure is an inability of software and system or component is component to perform it is required functions. No, it is not proper. So error, bug, failure, right? Please like and subscribe, guys. Please give one thumbs up, double tap on screen. Ad hoc defected removals and boundary value analysis. What is API testing? What is failure? Give me last definition of the failure. A failure is an inability of a software application, software or system to perform its intended intended functions or produce the expected result when it is executed executed. A failure occurs when a defect in the software incorrect behavior. During runtime. Okay. A failure is an inability of software or application to perform an intended function or produce the expected and produce the expected result when it's executed. A failure occurs when a defects in a software causes incorrect behavior during runtime. Yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. जल्दी हो गया बहुत जल्दी Okay, so we understand error, defects, and error human mistake made always sorry okay made during the software development, designing, coding, and requirement analysis that leads to incorrect result. Okay, defect. A defect is a flaw and deviation in a software application where the actual results differ from the expected results specified in the requirement. A bug is a fault or a flow failure, not failure, flaw in the software that causes it is to produce incorrect, unexpected, or intended result during execution. Okay, quality assurance, quality control, and quality engineering. Okay, there we are going to understand about the how many types of testing will be there in the software development and the software in that software testing. Sorry, in the not development in the software testing. Okay, so we are going to learn about the level of software testing. Okay, so level of software testing. Am I not? I'm not proper visible, guys. I think. One second, I'm cleaning my camera. Please give me some time. Okay. Thank you. So we did again. I'm going to write software testing definition with the we can say that the software testing definition. After that, I'll start the level. Okay. So software testing. STLC is different. Software testing concept is different. Okay. So we are going to here understand what is software testing. So software testing is software testing is a part is a part of software software testing is a part of software. Rawat, welcome to my live stream, guys. Thank you, bro, for coming and commenting. Software testing is a part of software development process. Software development life cycle or software development process. Okay, software development process will be best of the software development man process where software development process where we verify where product is verified and validate to ensure software or application should be bug free. Is bug free. Okay. Is full bug free. Second one, meets the customer requirement. Third one, timely deliver timely delivery within budget. And fourth one, maintainable product. Okay. So please guys like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So there are four level of software testing. There are four level of software testing. I'll share the PDF for that. I'll share the PDF for software testing. Okay. So I don't want to share the HDLC right now. तेरे नाल जीवांगे तेरे नाल मरांगे ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਜ਼ੀ ਵਾਂਗ ਬਨ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸਦੂਆਂ unit testing. Second will be integration testing. Third one will be integration. Okay. Third one will be system testing. Fourth one will be user acceptance testing. User acceptance testing. So software testing has two like software testing has four levels. First one, unit testing, which is done which is done by the developer. Another one will be integration testing. It is done by it will be do by the developer, sorry, tester. And system testing also for from the tester. And UAT, user acceptance testing, from the tester. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's start next. I don't know what happened is here. Okay. Okay. Done. But my chat section is not visible. Yeah, I'm not. I'll see the tutorial make definitely. Okay, we will set it later. Okay. No, never mind. I'll set up later. I'll definitely set up it later. And we are going to again start the testing concept. Bro, what's going on? Okay, so firstly we will going to understand unit testing. We have a lot time. Means my interview is 3:30, and after that I'll definitely share the feedback. Oh, sorry. I'm showing here. I'm saying here, and you are here, guys. And, so, and, okay. So unit testing. So unit testing checks the component are fulfilling functionality or not. It is done by the development environment. It is done in development environment. Okay, so it's not a proper definition. You can say that. Okay, you can say that it is not a proper definition. So we are going to ask to the chat GPT, please do give us, please give us the definition of the unit testing. Done. Yeah. So what will be the best definition? Unit testing is a software testing or technique in which a smallest stable unit or component of an application such as a function, method or class is tested independently to verify that it works correctly according to the specified requirement. Unit testing is usually performed by the developer and the developers during the development phase. Okay, unit testing is the process of testing individual units and components of an application in isolation to ensure they functions correctly. It is usually performed by the developer or integration testing. No, oh, no. Unit testing. During the development process, before integration testing, whenever new code is written and existing code is modified, one line definition. Unit testing is a process of testing the smallest individual unit of. Dude, we are going to understand. First one. We are going to write the first one. Okay, unit testing is a software testing technique. Unit testing is a software testing technique which is the smallest testable unit in which the smallest testable unit or component of an application such as a function, method, or class is tested independently to verify that it works correctly according to specified requirement. Unit testing is usually performed by developers during the development phase. Thank you for coming on my live. Okay, unit testing is a software testing technique in which the smallest stable unit or component of an applications such as a function, method or class is tested independently to verify it works correctly or according to the specified requirement. Limit, okay, unit, unit, not limit, dude. It's unit. Unit testing is usually performed by the developer during the development phase. Got it? Yeah. So we learn about that now. Unit testing is a software testing techniques in which the smallest stable unit component of any application such as class, function, method or class is tested independently to verify it work correctly or not. Requirement unit, okay, इतना तो इसके बाद तो फिर unit testing is usually performed by the developer in the during of development phase. Now we are going to understand about the integration testing. Integration testing. नहीं 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 अभी नहीं. Okay. Now we will learn about the integration testing. We will see what is the integration testing. Okay. System testing. Dude, we don't want now system testing. We want only integration testing. Okay. So integration testing. Check the data flow module or another module. Integrator means combining. Blah, 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 blah. This is not good definition. We are going to understand and write some new definition. Oh. Oh. So integration, नहीं vibration, integration testing with example. Integration testing is a type of software testing in which one or two modules individually tested modules are combined and tested together, verified they impact correctly or exchange data as expected. The main objective is to identify defects in the interfaces or interactions between two integrated modules. Okay, so okay. Got it. Got it, bro. Got it. Got it. Okay. So there was how many types of why you should to give me one or types should be there should be two or three types maybe. Okay. When integration testing is performed before the unit testing and after the system testing. Sorry, after the unit testing or before the system testing. Okay. So type of integration testings. Okay, Big Bang integration testing. All modules are integrated at once. Okay, this should be, we should to write this. This is the main important thing. Okay, so it should be. It is a very good thing, which is given by the Chat GPT. Okay, so integration testing is a type of software testing which two or more individually tested modules are combined and tested together. Okay, so integration testing. What is the integration testing? Integration testing mainly, you can say that this kind of testing is that like one module and two module. There are many functions of in a software. It's like a login module or we can say that a logout module. No, no. Okay, test the load together. So there will be one home page and where is we are putting the data. If there was a form, there will be a form, or there we will fetch the data from the we will retrieve the data from the database. So firstly we enter that and we will retrieve that data from the database. So this kind of testing is known as, we will no, this kind of not, there will be like one form module and fetch module, like data we will retrieve from the database. Okay, so fetch mod put module and fetch module, we will combine that project, all that those functionalities. Okay, and after that we will check that the data flow is properly working, they are integrated, they are working properly. So this kind of testing is known as the integration testing. Separately test functions integrated with together, we will integrate together, and after that we will check the data flow, it is working as expected from the client or our requirement. So that is known as. Okay, thank you. We are okay, let's start. Combine. I'm going to write again, sorry, some is remaining to verify that they interacted interacted correctly. Okay, they interacted correctly. Okay, and exchange data as expected. Hope you understand. As expected. The main objective is to identify defects in the interface faces and interactions between, one second, integrated, just integrated. So mainly we will so will will I mean to say that I will check the in the functionality of that application of software, like firstly two modules will be integrated and they are integrated properly, or we will check the data from it is exchanging data good, in a good way or as expected, and there should be no any kind of one data is not coming in the database. So this kind of instruction we will see that okay, properly integrated or not, properly exchanging data or not, they are properly communicating to each other or not. Okay, so this kind of, one second guys, I'm giving one shampoo to my mama. She's asking to me for one shampoo. Okay. Mama है yellow. Okay, so there are integrated test type of integrated testing. Okay, there are some types. Hmm. वो नीचे रखा हो पेड़ के पास. Type of integration testing. So Big Bang integration testing. Firstly, Big Bang integration testing. So all modules are combined. All modules are integrated at once. Okay, all modules are integrated at once. Uh, 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 Top down integration testing. Top down integration testing. Okay, testing starts from top level modules using stubs. bottom up integration testing. Testing start from lower level using the drivers. So stubs are and drivers. What are the stubs and what are the drivers? Which we will definitely learn about that. We will understand that what are these. Okay. So testings starts from lower level modules using drivers, hybrid or sandwich model. It is not the top-down integration testing and bottom-up integration testing are both are the important testing as in the integration testing. Okay, so hybrid now and full. So you can say that full testing is the comes under the. I mean, we will when we are going to do alpha testing okay, so in that alpha testing we will integrate both all the functions of that application or all the modules of that application, and after that we will after before the release we will we will understand and we will integrate all the modules at the same time, and we will did the alpha testing. We will do the alpha testing, and it is comes in the Big Bang integration testing, hybrid integration, combine top down and bottom approach. Okay, so there are four types of integration also: Big Bang, top down, bottom up, and hybrid. And we are going to understand what is stubs and drivers. So it is the main important thing. What are the stubs and what are the drivers? So we are going to what are the stubs and drivers. Stub is a temporary program to simulate the behavior of lower and lower level module to one second, drivers. Okay. A stub is a temporary program that simulate the behavior of lower level module. That module is not yet available. Stubs are mainly used in top-down to integration testing. Okay, and what is driver? Driver is a temporary program that simulates the higher level modules and use lower modules and higher modules, and drivers mainly use the bottom okay modules is not available. So drivers and stubs, high level to low level. When we are doing the testing, high level to low level module means top recent testing. I am giving one example. There are integration testing means we combine two or more functions or modules at a one place. Okay, I think Okay, so there will be some loops, like there is independent two modules independent on second, one or three have no any kind of feature to for the testing. If second is not available there, so we are making we make the stub like temporary program or in three all the three functions at a place, then the place at a one place, then the temporary program is known as the stubs. As like that, in the lower level, like down up approach, bottom up integration, sorry, bottom up integration. Okay, in bottom up integration, concept is same, but in the lower level, from the lower level to higher level, temporary program we are using, that is known as the driver. So now it's clear. Now we will learn about after some time. I'm taking break for that because it's a lot take. Okay, I don't know what's time. Okay, half 1 hour I did the live stream. After that I'll start sometime later. Okay, thank you.